Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! For today's video, I will be showing you how to make viral videos or reels on Facebook and on Instagram. Let's go! So the first thing that you have to do is you have to open your preferred application, Facebook or Instagram. In my case, I'll go with Facebook. Now, once you have your Facebook account signed in, the next thing that you have to do is go to your profile. To do that, you just have to click on the profile icon on the lower right corner of your screen right here. And then once you're done, you just have to scroll a bit down and look for pages. Here on the right side, you will see a flag and it says pages right below it. Just click on that. After clicking on the pages, you will see the following option. You will see all of the previous pages that you have. You will also see create, discover, invites, and liked at the very top. We're going to be choosing on the create. So just click on the create, the first option at the top. Once you're done, it will give you the option to click on get started. Now we have to click on get started and we have to come up with the name of our page. Let's go with how to solve. Then hit on next. Then it will ask you to describe the category of your page. You can just choose anything in here. You'll also get suggestions at the bottom. So I will just choose randomly in here. Let's say, all right, I think these three are all good. And then we have to hit on next. Once done, you will see the option to create at the very bottom. Now we have to click on the word create and just give it a few seconds to load. And now you will see this option saying finish setting up your page. You will see general, contact, website, email, and phone number. But in my case, I will just hit on next. You will see the customize your page. Here you can add photos if you like. You can add a profile picture or you can also add a cover photo if you like. But for me, I'm just going to hit on next again here at the very bottom. Now here you will see it will ask you for a phone number, WhatsApp phone number if you want to connect it. You can definitely do that here, but again, I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just showing you guys an example how to do it. Now you will see the option build your page audience, which will give you the option to invite some friends. So if you want to invite some friends, Facebook friends, Instagram friends, this is where you do it. If you want them to like the page that you just created. Again, I will just skip on this. I will now hit on next. And the next thing that you will see is add to favorite. I will just hit on next as well. And I will hit on done. Now it will say switching to how to solve. Let's give it some time to load. All right, now we have our page. There you have it. It's now set up. Now that our page is ready, the next thing that we have to do is to upload a post. You can choose any new video that you would like to feature. For me, I will just use this video as an example. And then here on the caption part at the upper right, you have to write any title about the video. You can say something like OMG. And then the next thing or the important thing that you have to do next is to select related tags for your video. Should be a maximum of 3 tags. You can say something like, for example, for my video, since it's about coffee, I can say something like hashtag coffee, hashtag chill, hashtag weekend vibes. Once you're done, you can now hit on post. And then you will see it will have 0 video just yet. This is the view that you will see. Now, the next thing that you have to do is to open your video and watch your video in full. How do we do that? You just have to click on the maximize icon or button. And then, after watching your video in full, at the end of the video, you will see the option to see more videos like this. And when you do that, it will show you all the trending videos with a similar caption or similar hashtag with yours. The next thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be copying all the trending video hashtag and edit it to your video. So you will be adding those new hashtag that you've seen to your own video. And then once you're done, you just have to hit on post again. The reason why we're doing this is because if you copy the hashtags of those trending videos, there is a huge possibility that Facebook or Instagram's algorithm will suggest your videos to the viewers who might be interested in the same topic. So after you've done all that, now the only thing that you have to do is wait for 10 or 20 minutes and then you will see the result. There you have it. Now you have a viral video or reel on Facebook or Instagram.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.